to crack your neck. So now not the back, but first the neck. Oeh, ik hoor hem. You do. That was my neck. And now, how to crack your back. The following video is how to crack your back. And this was how to crack your neck. Hey,